Hello and welcome to another unnecessary unboxing here from Rickydees Productions. My name is Ricky and today we're going to be unnecessarily unboxing the Galaxy S10. This is just a regular one, not the E or the Plus, just the regular one. So I'm pretty excited about this because... So I know if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, I've unboxed every Samsung except for the S9. I did have the S9. But I just didn't unbox it. So it's good to be back and unboxing another Galaxy S10 unlocked. So normally I get the Cricket versions because I use Cricket as my carrier. But the unlocked, if you buy it through Best Buy or Samsung, it's too late now. But if you pre-ordered it, you would get you get Galaxy Buds for free, which is pretty good. And they were also doing a $550 trade-in with the S9 as well, so that's pretty nice. So I've seen this a couple other unboxings. They put this thing in here. How the hell? Okay, I understand how they're having trouble. This thing is stuck in there. It's just paperwork and a SIM ejector, I believe. So here is the beautiful phone. And I got it in blue. I'm very tempted to get the white one. But I did not get it because I guess not. So actually I looked at it and I like the idea of it, but it just wasn't my thing. Okay, and then we get in here. My biggest qualm with this phone, I think, is that because the Note 7s blew up, I think Samsung's still scared of their batteries and chargers. It's still quick charging 2.0, which I'm like glad they have quick charging, but it's still like, Jesus Christ. Like you look at devices like the OnePlus that have those super fast chargers, and it's like you look at this S10 and it has like everything you want in a phone basically, but you still have quick charging 2.0, which is years old. You also get an adapter from USB to USB-C for transferring, I believe. And then obviously the power brick, which feels cheaper than normal. It's very freaking heavy though. Yeah, still kind of disappointing in that one. I got a little box here, and this comes with your charging cable, which of course is USB-C in white. And most importantly, what we're actually here for is the headphones. How the hell do I open this? There we go. Which are the AKG. This time they're not gray, they're white. It's kind of nice, switching up. I think they're just exactly like last year's and the year before that. So it's not like anything special, but a different color is kind of nice. They're actually super, super nice headphones, and they have a braided cord, that's not common, I feel like, with just in headphones. There's also the Galaxy Buds. I will be getting those. It takes about like 6 to 8 weeks off the pre-order, which kind of sucks, but yeah. So you still have your SIM up here. Let's go and use this. And you drop your SIM and your SD card in there. Insert and boot up. So take this back piece off. Oh, I'm gonna be honest, that looks nice. That looks very nice. That blue, I was kind of like, I don't know if I want to go for blue because I had the blue S9. Like, maybe I should change it up to the white. I'm glad I went with this. I am very glad I went with the blue. I still like the blue. Samsung blue is just, it's not super like, oh, it's blue. I'm blue and I'm here. No, it's kind of more subtle. This device includes a pre-installed screen protector. If you remove it and you want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for the use of all touchscreen features, including the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It's garbage. This screen protector is garbage, so I would recommend getting a different one. I haven't looked at any options quite yet. I know MKBHD did a video on a tempered screen protector that does allow it. I usually go with Zag because I like them, and I usually don't get tempered glass screen protectors anyways. It also comes with a quick start guide, get the most out of your phone, sign in with your Samsung account. We'll probably be fast forwarding the setup here, but just a couple things that I like about the phone. I am very excited to try out that built-in fingerprint sensor. If you've been using the Samsung devices for a while, then you're, oh my gosh, the backup system that Samsung has, and now that Google's gotten a lot better, it's basically rivals iCloud. You can set up your phone exactly how you want. So I'll have to play around with that a little bit more. You have Samsung Pay still and everything. But yeah, this is all the stock stuff it comes with. It does not have any junk other than Spotify, which is nice. You got your Google and Samsung stuff, obviously, but only junk is that, which is really nice compared to other devices. Okay, cool. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the device. I will be definitely doing stuff with it because I'll be using it as my daily driver for probably a year. But yeah, if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments section. Glad to do another video with you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.